Australia and New Zealand produce some of the brightest and most innovative contractors, manufacturers and service providers in the world. And although they're all different, they all have one thing in common: the constant search for new business. Likewise, many of the world's most exciting projects are happening right here in our region. And each of these projects needs the right local suppliers. What if there was an organisation that brought all these talented companies and lucrative projects together? ICN is passionate about doing just that. With a team of highly skilled technical consultants who have extensive industry knowledge, ICN offers a procurement solution like no other. For project managers, we make it easy to find the right local suppliers, saving time and money in supply chain development and ensuring local supply and support for the life of the project. For suppliers, we offer easy access to the best projects, large and small, both locally and overseas. It's no wonder many of the region's largest buyers and government projects use ICN to make all the right connections.